So let me give you a little review about the MotorGuide Xi5. I've had this unit for a while now. One thing I can tell you guys is if you don't plan to move around from your brush piles, if you're fishing for crappie, then this is not for you. This is the Xi3. They are identical from the Xi5 and 3. GPS pinpoint. This is my Garmin live scope. As you can see, I'm on top of a brush pile right now with crappie just everywhere. But I can't fish it. As you can see, I'm already away from it. MotorGuide cannot catch up with this, I say maybe 12-mile-an-hour wind. I'm already gone from my brush pile and it's trying to find it again. You can hear the motor just struggle trying to get back to it. If you haven't seen the MotorGuide versus the Minn Kota, you need to go check out that video because it's identical to their review and their comparison. It just struggles to keep you in one spot. As you can see, we're just now showing back up onto the brush pile. So if I was fishing it, chances are I'm gonna get stuck in the brush pile because the motor moved me away. You can also see, here's my 0 right there. I'm at the edge of the brush pile. And like I said, there are just fishes everywhere. But the motor's working itself again. It's moving away from the brush pile. It's just not gonna, do it. It just does not keep itself steady in one spot. So this is the Xi3. Similar to the Xi5. I have an Xi5 as well, and it does the same thing. It keeps you locked on spot, just within 5 feet. So if you're trying to stay on top of a brush pile, this is not what you want.